Welcome back to Chemistry with Miss B, and now we're going to be doing balancing combustion equations in organic chemistry. Whenever alkenes, or alcohols are burned in air, they produce carbon dioxide and water. Balancing these equations can be quite tricky. However, one of the easiest methods you can use is to list all of the atoms on either side of the equation, and then you will put down how much of each atom is present on the left side of the equation and also on the right side of the equation. By using this method, balancing the equation is much easier. You want to start off by balancing the carbon and hydrogen atoms first, and then you balance the oxygen atoms. If you get an odd number for oxygen, you simply divide that number by 2 and then multiply the entire equation by 2 to get your balanced equation. Always back check your work. So once you've balanced the equation, you want to make sure that all of your numbers match back. Once they match back, you would have discovered that you would have done a great job. Congratulations on balancing that equation properly. Next up, ethene being combusted in oxygen. When ethene combusts in oxygen, carbon dioxide and water are also given off. You want to list out the types of atoms on the left side of the equation as well as on the right side of the equation. Then you want to write down how much of each of them are present. Take your time. Make sure you account for all atoms that are there in the equation. And voila, you have a balanced equation. Now, we're going to look at ethanol being combusted in oxygen. When ethanol is combusted in oxygen, carbon dioxide and water are given off or produced. Again, you list out all of your atoms on the left hand side of your equation as well as on your right, and you write down how much of each atom is present on either side. And then you balance. See? It's much easier this way, especially when you're doing an exam. This is a great way to back check your work. Again, we have an odd number of oxygen, so we're going to divide it by 2. And then we're going to multiply the entire equation by 2. Be patient. Once we're sure that we're balanced, what you want to do is to make sure you count back your carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms. And once the numbers are equal on both sides, voila, you have balanced your equation. Great job. See you next time.